Cheers, guys. Steering beer this time. Boys and their toys. Ooh, garage time. Vorfreude. Face, Insta, YouTube. I do have the same, by the way. An urgent video to be made. Because what's in there, you'll see in a second. It's very good hardware. On top, at the bottom, nothing. Oh, guy. It's a mazzucchelli crankshaft, 60mm PX200. But what the F? How many decades is this ongoing? Why? Dear mazzucchelli, you're providing reasonable, very, very good friction. But what the F? Why can you not provide proper packaging? Why can you not provide proper packaging? I mean, look, this hits through. You see here? Here. It hits through the bottom. And you know that for decades. Not changing it. I got an even better example here. Wait a second. Last engine I made. VMC 170 LML case. Yeah, it looks fine so far, but look at the bottom. What the F? Look at this. Mazzucchelli. Take €3 more. Everybody will happily pay it. What is this? God. Cheers, guys. That was needed, wasn't it?
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?